Greetings Iligan. A brief overview of Iligan's economy and infrastructure. In the past, Iligan has been known as the industrial city of the south, but it has since transitioned to an agro-industrial economy. The city's growth and development are funded by taxes collected from local businesses. National infrastructure projects in Iligan are financed through revenue allocation. The lone congressional office of Iligan oversees the projects that are carried out by the DPWH, with the guidance of our esteemed Congressman Celso Gamera Regencia. River bank strengthening efforts during weather season. My primary focus has been on strengthening the Santiago river bank leading to the Macapagal Avenue highway during the weather season. However, upon reviewing the satellite images from June 2022, there seems to be no construction activity in the area. Notable changes in DPWH Iligan office's projects with Congressman Celso Gamera Regencia. Since Congressman Celso Gamera Regencia took office, significant changes in the DPWH Iligan office's project implementation have been observed. Aside from the newly constructed esplanade, the 2023 satellite imagery captured construction activities along the riverbank embankment, which immediately caught my attention. Would like to express my gratitude to Congressman Celso Gamera Regencia for his instrumental role in the implementation of this project. With his help, we were able to showcase the satellite drone shot and the joint inspection led by the DPWH personnel. The citizens of Iligan are very grateful for your efforts. Acknowledging Congressman Celso Gamera Regencia's contribution to the project.
Stay up to date with the latest news from Iligan. Greetings! We are thrilled to share the latest updates on the current events happening in and around the city. Our field reporter, Princess Sarah, is young, energetic, and eager to keep you informed about the latest happenings in the area. Be sure to tune in to hear the exciting news for the people of Iligan, straight from the lone congressional office district of Iligan.